In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bank transfer on Temu. Whether you're shopping for clothing, beauty products, home essentials, or jewelry, having a smooth checkout experience can really enhance your online shopping journey. Let's dive into how you can make payments using a bank transfer on Temu, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's a breeze. First up, you'll want to go to the Temu website. You can do this by opening your preferred internet browser and typing in the Temu URL, or simply searching Temu Philippines on your favorite search engine. Once there, you'll find a wealth of products to explore, from the latest fashion to essential home goods. Take your time browsing and add any items you like to your shopping cart. Next, once you've added everything you want to purchase, it's time to head to your cart. You'll find the cart icon usually in the top right corner of the web page. Click it to view the items you've selected, review their details, and ensure they meet your requirements. Now, with your chosen items in the cart, you're ready to proceed. Click on the item you want to check out, making sure that you've selected the correct quantity and any other specific preferences like the size or color. Once confirmed, you can move forward by clicking the checkout button. This will take you to the payment section. At this point, you'll want to select the payment method. Look for the bank transfer option in the list of payment methods if it's available. It's always a good idea to have your bank information handy before starting, as it can streamline the process significantly. Input your bank details accurately, as any errors could prevent the transaction from going through. Double check things like your account number and any required references to ensure everything is correct. Once your bank details are entered, simply proceed with the checkout process. By clicking through, you should receive confirmation that your order has been placed successfully. Keep an eye out for any emails or messages that may require you to approve the transaction with your bank. And that's it. You've now completed the process of using a bank transfer on Temu. By following these steps carefully, you can enjoy a seamless shopping experience and get your favorite products delivered right to your doorstep. If you ever need to revisit the process, don't hesitate to come back to this guide. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.